Do you ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? What if you could reclaim your time and focus on what really matters? In this video, I'll show you how to use artificial intelligence to automate your daily tasks and save hours every single day. Let's get started. Welcome to AI Life Mastery, where we explore the best tools and strategies to help you master productivity, health, and financial success with artificial intelligence. If you're ready to unlock your full potential and save time, this video is for you. Why automate your tasks with AI? Automation isn't just for big businesses anymore. With the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, anyone can use automation tools to simplify their life, reduce stress, and get more done. Imagine delegating repetitive tasks like scheduling, email replies, or even grocery shopping, without lifting a finger. Step 1. Automate scheduling with AI tools. Scheduling meetings, appointments, or even personal reminders can eat up a surprising amount of time. Tools like Calendly or Motion use artificial intelligence to handle this for you. For example, Calendly can sync with your calendar and automatically find the best times for meetings, while Motion optimizes your entire day by scheduling tasks based on priority. No more back and forth emails or missed deadlines. Try these tools to streamline your schedule and reclaim valuable time. Step 2. Streamline communication. Writing emails, responding to messages, or drafting reports can feel like a never-ending chore. Enter tools like GrammarlyGO or ChatGPT, which can generate polished email replies, summarize long texts, or even craft creative content for you. For example, GrammarlyGO adapts to your tone and writes email responses in seconds, while ChatGPT can handle more complex tasks like creating proposals or reports. These tools not only save time but also make your communication more professional and impactful. Step 3. Automate data entry and management. If you're managing spreadsheets, customer data, or any repetitive tasks, tools like Zapier or Make are your secret weapons. They connect your apps and automate workflows behind the scenes. For instance, Zapier can take data from a form submission and automatically add it to a spreadsheet, notify your team, and send a follow-up email, all without you lifting a finger. This kind of automation reduces errors, saves hours, and keeps your work running smoothly. Step 4. Personalize your daily routine with virtual assistants. AI virtual assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri can handle tasks like setting reminders, ordering groceries, or even turning off your lights, all through simple voice commands. Imagine starting your morning with an automated briefing of your day, the latest news, and even a freshly brewed coffee thanks to a smart device integration. With virtual assistants, you can automate mundane parts of your daily routine, freeing up mental space for more important tasks. Step 5. Automate content creation. If you're a content creator or need to produce creative assets for work, tools like Canva Pro's AITools or Pictory can do the heavy lifting. For example, Canva's AI features can generate design ideas, resize content automatically, or even write captions for your social media posts. Pictory can turn text into professional-looking videos in minutes. These tools not only save you time but also elevate the quality of your content, helping you stand out. Automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. By using artificial intelligence to handle repetitive tasks, you can focus on what truly matters: growing your career, spending time with loved ones, or simply enjoying life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips and strategies to master productivity and success with artificial intelligence. Which AI tool are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Check out these other videos to discover more ways to save time, boost productivity, and simplify your life. Click one now to keep learning.